What's up, guys? It's Killer Caleb here, and today we're gonna be unboxing a Treasure X Marks the Spot. My brother got it, and here it is. So, Connor, explain it. Huh?
So this, you unbox it, you do this, and you find these crazy people. You can find him. You can find this guy. You can find this guy. Oh, by the way, we're not gonna do that part, but we'll show you what it looks like.
Okay,
This
guys.
is what we're gonna do. We're not gonna rip, cause.
Okay, guys. Okay.
Hey guys. So.
We're gonna get this going.
Guys, I don't know why we bought this, because you guys want to know how much this was? $15. I know, you're thinking expensive, right? It might not seem expensive to you guys. You guys think that's cheap? It's not.
It's actually not, guys.
Just for a toy. Oh, guys, we forgot to do this in the first part of the video, but like and subscribe, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, we got directions. Come out first. That's the picture. Look, see this? Look at these. Bro, this thing's cool.
Hey, shout out to Marcus GZ. And shout out to my other friend.
Guys, you can look at that, and
Now, well, guys,
you guys can
this is the part about toys. I mean, they come with maps. I mean, this is my brother's and all, but are you serious? You can get all these kids?
24, guys.
24.
24.
I mean, look at this unboxing. Look at it, bro.
Look at that.
I mean,
It's
it's
pure
pure gold, but it's fake.
Oh my gosh.
Bro, look at that.
Look at that.
I mean, that's Connor's, but
That's cool.
that's my little brother. You guys saw him a few videos ago, and yeah. Actually,
Sorry to end the basketball video.
that was my bad.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
He was about to drop the phone.
Yeah, I had to end the video because it was gonna be bad. Okay, guys.
You guys don't want to hit the cord.
Okay, so we need a prop.
Alright, guys. Look at this thing. Look at this. You guys would want to have this. Imagine if this was real. Guys, you guys read directions? I'll give you a second to read it. Only if you want to.
Okay,
Need a
guys.
second to read that. Only if you want to.
So it says important. For user digging, unwrap and place block under running water for 30 seconds. Really,
we
bro?
don't need this.
We don't need that.
What the heck, guys? Now you're breaking my shoe? Kids, get out of my face. Oh, guys.
Get the bag.
Oh, yeah. Here, you can look at that.
Am I gonna unbox this? Because this is kind of my YouTube channel.
Alright, guys. He's gonna do some of it, too. It's not just me. Guys, this might take a while.
Okay, hold on. Let me see.
Wait, I got it. See? This is why they bring tools, guys. See? Told you. Tools work. Oh, wait. That's to dig it up, Caleb.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, actually. I mean, look at that. I mean, it has all the tools, everything that you need. I mean, this is my brother's toy, but that's actually kind of cool. Looks like an arrow, maybe a sword, or an airplane.
Markix.
Okay, so, dude, I gotta get a prop, bro. Bro, I could literally bring this speaker to school freaking.
Oh, guys, we'll make a music video.
Oh yeah, guys. My brother has some sick beats. Like, oh wait, guys, you want to see my beats?
Okay, no.
I'm not trying to show off or anything, but go ahead, Connor, go get them. They're in my room.
Chloe, can you go get them?
Yes.
Please don't drop them.
Oh, I will not drop.
Okay. Yeah, that's my sister. She's really annoying. Okay, guys.
Girls, if you're watching this, I'm not trying to be mean, but she's annoying.
Listen, if you were her brothers,
If you're a brother, I mean, your sister's annoying, and you guys better admit it. Like, you guys know. Like, okay, if we had a better sister, okay, I understand it. Like,
guys, I'm trying to find a prop.
alright, guys, got this open, finally. God, sorry for all the moving.
Yeah, sorry, guys. We're trying to make the video as best as we can.
Just for you guys.
Yeah.
I mean, okay, if it was for our friends, who cares?
Bro, I'm literally like actually trying.
I don't know where they are.
Aren't they? They're in my top drawer.
Top.
Hold on.
Guys, look at this.
Guys, look at this unwrapped.
Bro, what is this?
Bro, what is it?
I don't know. I'm gonna dig some of this up. Guys, you guys need to get a look at this. Look at that. See the
Dude.
X marks its spot?
Dude, that's actually cool. Get some stuff on your hands. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing this part, but
I'm just gonna dig this. I'm just gonna.
he's gonna start digging some.
Yeah.
But other than that,
What's that? Bro, I'm touching something right now.
They're not on top of the shelf.
Alright guys, we'll show the beats at the end of the video.
yeah.
Because we don't need to do that right now. We're in an important process.
Bro, somebody needs to hold this.
I'll hold it.
Guys, I need to use a different tool. Like,
Okay, Connor. Oh.
wait, I'm about to hold it, okay?
Okay.
Let's start on the bottom, guys. Let's see what's in here. I'm gonna drill it. Bro, this is actually working. Bro, I can't believe this is actually working, guys. Like, this is literally like a grill.
What the heck is this?
I don't know. It came from the top.
Did it?
Yeah,
It's actually pretty cool.
that's what a drill can do. Bro,
Okay, so let me
that's
see.
a drill bit. Let's see what this. We're gonna show you all the damage, okay? Okay, that's too much.
Okay, guys.
We're gonna show you the
So-
damage that each one of them do, just by twisting.
Okay. When will I be able to do it again?
After this.
Wait, this is actually cool.
Ew. Didn't do that good.
Give me it, Chloe.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna show you the damage that each one of them do. So, like
Okay, guys. So
the drill bit does the best with a circle. So the drill bit did this right here, as you guys can see right there. This did that.
this
This did that,
and then that.
and that did this.
Okay, guys. So it will be my turn.
All right, guys. He's gonna like dig in the bottom like this. Like, see the shovel? He's gonna be like this. Like he's gonna actually dig it up. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
All right, guys. I'm gonna set up some beats right now, but you guys watch him. I'll set up the beats. You guys will hear it, okay?
Okay, guys. What's up? It's Caleb here. I'm not trying to be a little kid or anything. I'm just, people gotta do stuff when they're a YouTuber, bro. I mean, no, the beats. Get the beats. No, don't make a beat.
All right, guys. I just want you to hear this. I'm not trying to be a show off or anything, but
Turn it down. Because it might be really loud.
all right, guys. Listen to this. Leave a like if you guys like this.
Okay, guys.
Comment down below if you like this. Say, I like this. And I'll keep on
you
doing
can
it.
say anything that you want.
Yeah, like, I liked it. I liked your beat or anything.
Listen, guys, this is my brother Connor making these beats. So this isn't me, but
I'm not trying to be a show off, but like, guys, I think I'm doing good. All right, guys, I'm gonna go show you some beat.
okay, guys. So hold on.
Move that to the side.
Hold on. Move this to the side.
Okay, this is the case.
So these are my beats, and I'm gonna unbox them and show you. Okay, so I've had these for a year now, and
Not a year, like
like a couple.
3 months,
No,
like
I-
5 months
I've had them since last Christmas.
since Christmas.
Yeah.
Put it to the that way.
So they're pretty nice. I mean, I'm
Or
very
wireless.
lucky. Very lucky. Very fortunate kid.
And he got it in iPhone XR.
Yeah, that's what I'm videotaping with right now. But I can't really show you because. Okay, back to this.
Okay, guys.
Back to
Guys, I'm gonna make some really cool beats. Sorry, guys, you can't see him. Caleb, move like right there.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Dude, the shovel does like the most damage.
Yeah, and the jiggle bit. Guys, comment down below if you like this music.
What if you get 1 million subscribers?
Oh, guys, turn on that notification bell to where you guys will stay lit with our videos. I'm not gonna post them every day. Sometimes I won't be in the videos.
Definitely.
Guys, I'm just making this by Beatmaker.
Chloe, no, stop.
Guys, ignore my little sister.
She's in there.
Yeah. Guys, like, look at that. Isn't that cool?
I'm just digging stuff up right now, just trying to get it down some. We were gonna show you guys how like the water stuff works, but me and my brother don't think it's gonna work because
No, it will. I already know because I've done it before.
yeah.
He hasn't, but I have. So, guys, basically what it does is just make fizz. And then it just gives away the surprise.
Yeah,
Like-
that's why we're just digging it up right now.
Bro, this is so hard to make.
The beats, they're not that hard to make. Comment down below, guys, if you think this is hard to make.
Alright, guys, I'm going to show you how fast my hands have to move. Okay, guys.
Chloe, no, don't. Chloe, stop.
Guys, I'm going to do something with the top real quick. Let me see it for a second. I'm going to show them the top. I'm going to show them something, like a clue of what it could be.
No, don't, because it's just gonna give it away.
No, they don't know. Wait, where's the box? Bro, I think I know what it is. I'll tell you.
All of them have a gold thing.
Yeah, this one. It's either this one or that's the only one I know. Watch out, Chloe. Stop doing that. Guys, like this stuff is so
Chloe, what are you
cool.
doing?
Sorry.
Guys, our sister might not ever be in a video.
Except this one. Chloe, can
Oh, guys.
Here, Chloe, I charged your iPad.
By the way, look at this, guys.
Okay, guys, hold on.
Isn't that cool? All right, guys.
Where's your iPad? Oh, it's stacked.
Yes, on the bottom. All right, guys, you guys are gonna have to look at the floor for a second. Sorry.
See, Chloe? Look, I charged it. Look.
All right,
Chloe,
guys.
remember, watch it.
Sorry, guys, about that.
Chloe.
Who's that?
Come on, you. Come on.
All right, guys.
You know what video you want?
Our sister's gonna go be occupied, have fun, watch on her tablet,
Okay.
and I'm just gonna do something for a little bit, and then he's gonna do the rest for like the rest.
Okay.
Take control of the beats.
Yeah.
Don't delete any.
Okay, guys.
Go to settings and
Yeah, maybe. No, I don't know why her iPad wasn't charging me because she got a whole bunch of apps open.
and that's why it's not working.
No, that's YouTube.
Yeah, I want you.
I'm trying to get on settings.
Her settings are like
Found it.
guys, sorry if you can barely see.
Sorry, guys. I didn't mean to have my stuff in the way. Dude, which one's the password?
What?
Do you...
It's not Sarah B, you know that.
Oh, yeah, that's Sarah's car.
Yeah. Guys, nothing is happening. I'm confused.
Dude, I have... It should connect automatically.
Guys, I'm gonna see how far I can get this drill bit.
Chloe, go ask Mommy what the Wi-Fi is.
Okay.
I think Mommy will know.
Guys, sorry about I stopped the beats.
Nah, it's okay, guys. I actually have to stop the beats because everybody's trying to go to sleep right now.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh, guys, about the first video, we just cut it off. Sorry, but we had to delete the video. But this is our makeup. But sorry, guys, like, we didn't mean to. Our dad had to go do something, so we didn't want.
Okay, Connor, can I do the rest?
Wait, look how far I've got this, guys. Look how far that is. No, don't take it out. Bro, I want to see how far it is. Like, look at that. Like, here, let me.
Okay, guys, this is how far the hole is that he's drilled in.
Here, wait.
Look, guys. No, they can see it.
Guys, look at that hole.
You guys kind of got a sneak peek on what it is. We'll show you which one it is after the video.
Yeah, because we don't even know. Like,
Yeah,
we think we know.
We
but-
think we know, but we probably don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, Connor.
Wait. Let me show you something. Look. You see how you made a massive hole right there?
Guys, do you guys hear that?
That could be something.
Come on, Connor, let me do the rest.
Alright, he's doing the rest, guys.
Okay, what's up, guys?
Oh, guys, in one video we'll do our old Beyblades, bro. Like, they're old.
They're
like-
old, but they still work.
Yeah, they still work.
As you guys can hear, that's our old Beyblade stuff.
See?
Yeah, it's... Well, my brother still plays with them, but I don't.
He battles me sometimes when he's bored.
Sometimes because I'm bored, but...
I play with them daily. Not daily, because I got work and... Guys, like, look at this thing. Like, what do you think that is? Here, we'll show you on this.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Okay, Chloe, can you go in your
Like,
room?
look at that, guys. What do you think that is?
Calm down, okay?
Can you please go in your room? I'll go set you up and everything. Or you got it.
Oh, sorry, guys. Sorry about that.
Okay.
All right, guys.
Oh.
Look what me gonna do to me brother.
Guys, look. This is how far I've gotten, and
Whoa, you guys see that?
guys, look.
You see that black thing?
What is that, bro? We actually don't know what that is.
Like, literally, we haven't got into it. Guys, we might make another unboxing video.
Yeah,
Maybe.
maybe. I think we have a, I don't know.
Oh, yeah, we have this planet thing. I got this for like 3 Christmases ago. Bro, I wish they had 2 of them.
They did.
No, like 2 of these.
Yeah, I mean, that would be kind of cool, but.
Both of us can do it. But... Guys, you guys want to see this map again?
I already showed them the map in the first part of
No,
it.
like, guys, look at this. Like, look at how it's made. Sorry about that. But, like, look at that. Look how it's made. You see that skull? You see that?
Hunter, do we need to dump this in here?
Don't put it in what?
In here? So we have more room to do all this? Or do we dump it in there after?
Guys, wait a second. No, this will go to, not the box, but everything else does it.
Oh, guys. Connor,
Yeah,
the black thing's packaging.
wait.
You hear it?
Bro, let me feel. Can I feel? It is. All right.
Okay, hold on, guys. Oh, shoot. We gotta keep it over it.
Wait. Wait, stop.
Yeah, there you go. That's it?
No.
Oh, I was about to say, that's it? Clean.
Guys, sorry about that. Guys, I just want to show you this. Like,
Is there a hole in there? There's a hole in there. There is. I don't know. Connor, we're gonna sweep it up. Yeah, there's a hole, there's a hole. Hold on, guys. Sweep it up, sweep it up. Sorry, guys, we just really don't want to get in trouble.
guys, I'm a bummer. Best bummer.
See, guys, that's, I guess, how you, Connor, now you gotta throw this thing away. Well, just throw the stuff away, but you can keep the box. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, man. I messed up on the camera. Oh. Sorry, guys.
Alright, guys, I'm back.
Connor, why don't you go get a little water out of the thing for me?
For you? guys. Sorry about that. Guys, we're gonna show you this. Wait. Let's start doing the top since it's in packaged.
Dude, you just hear all that? That was. Be careful.
Guys, we're gonna end the video right here, okay? And like at the end, we're gonna start filming again, and we're gonna show you like what it is, okay, guys?
Okay, guys.
Sorry.
Hold on. Okay.
All right, guys, please subscribe to our videos. All right, we'll show you at the end. It'll be live. Here, we'll show you everything since we gotta leave you.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. All right, guys. So there
All
it
right,
is.
guys. Peace. Killer Caleb's out. We'll show you once it's unpackaged, everything. Unpack it. I mean, we'll leave it so you
We'll
guys can see.
we'll
it.
just put all this out,
All
and
this
then
out.
we'll unpackage like the packages.
yeah. Okay.
All right, guys.
Peace.
Here, let me show you guys this. So like this is what it looks like.
And then the other side, we got a
You
sneak
see
peek.
that?
There's some packaging.
It's a package. Like guys, it has a chain on it.
Dude, is that a part of the packaging?
Yeah. You guys see that chain?
Okay.
All right, guys.
Peace.
Gonna have to leave you. Peace.
Bye, guys.